video, we shall be looking at how you can go into your fish pond when there's fish and enough water in your pond, or when there's fish and water in your pond. There are instances you have to go into your pond. For instance, when an object falls into the pond and it sinks, and then removing it while outside is difficult for you, and you have to remove it, then you have to go into your fish pond. That's first thing, you have to go into your pond. Second thing is that during harvesting, if for instance you are not going to harvest all the fish, maybe you want to take some of them. Either you have drained the water or you still have the water as many as possible. And then your fish pond is big, so that you can't just stand at the edge and get them, and you have to go into your fish pond. That time too, you have to. For instance, where you have to go into your fish pond is during salting. Very important. When you are going to salt your fish, and then you have drained the water, you still have some water left to at least keep them. And when you are going in, you don't go into the pond like that. So in this video, I'm going to share with you tips of how you have to go into your fish pond when the need arises. Please stay watching and subscribe to the channel. My name is Abdul Aziz Isa. What you have seen me holding is a safety cloth, and it is waterproof. When you are going into your fish pond, this is recommended you should put it on. Why do you have to put this on? Several reasons. One, this is waterproof. So when you go inside the pond wearing this, it means that you will not get wet. If you are wearing beautiful clothes like I have done, and then you don't want to get it wet, wearing this will save you. Secondly, you don't want to contaminate the water in your fish pond. Putting anything on or going on with anything that you are wearing can contaminate the water and therefore leads to diseases or water quality issues. You will not want to experience that. Another reason is that when you go inside the pond for a fish tank, especially catfish, sometimes they do attack you because that's how they are. When an external object comes in contact with them in the pond, the first thing attack. So this will also help you when they do so. So there are numerous reasons why you must have this in your pond. Like I said, it is waterproof. You will not get wet. So adjust it very well, and then to make it loose. So wear it like this, and then when you are going in the pond, make sure that you gently go in. Why do you have to gently go in? Imagine you are in your room or you are in your home, and someone just jump into your home or your room without seeking permission or without taking excuse or without excusing you. You will not be happy. And that same thing applies to them. They are also living things, and that is their home. So you will have to excuse them. And to excuse them, don't just jump into the water and start swimming like you are also the fish. Be at the edge and then gently push your legs so that they will all move to the other side. Because when you just jump in there, you may step on some of them because as they are relaxing at their home. So when you put your legs, then you drag it small, they will move to the other end, then you gently go inside your pond. When you get inside the pond, you don't walk like you are your normal walking. What I mean is that don't just be opening your legs and be stepping. You may step on fish. So how you walk is dragging your leg. Be dragging your leg. Be dragging your leg. So don't leave this step on. You can stop on fish, like I said. So you'll be dragging. So instances where you have to put in your hand, then put in and be looking for what or to pick what you are going to take inside there. Yes, we also have cloth shirts wool that you can wear on this. Or this is okay. But if you want to put in your hand, then you can put in the shirt as well, and then your hands or all your you will be waterproof completely and you will not get wet. So when that happens, you are safe. So as you are gently dragging your leg, maybe you can even use your leg to look for what you are or picture what you are looking for. Then when you realize that you have that and if you are going to harvest, it's good if the water is not so much, you reduce the water and you have the dragon net. So when they move to this side or at one end, you can follow them there and then you can harvest them and then you are good to go. And like I said, this is very necessary, especially during sorting. So you have to note that. And now, when you are done, like I said, don't jump inside the water. So these are one of the things. So this is the bed filter. You see, it has been removed and pushed here. So it's supposed to be at the outlet because this collects the insoluble particles and push it to the recycled aquatic system. I've had a video on the recycled aquatic system, that's the RAS. Please check it out in the description. So once a while, when this is removed, you have to push it in. So there are times that you can just stand outside, get it and put it in. There are times it will move further where you cannot get it, and you have to go inside and pick it out. Like I said, then you need to get this, weigh it and go inside your pond. But it is not advisable to always jump into your pond and be swimming like fish. You are not the fish. So it is very, very important to have the safety glove, and then always put it on as you are working in the fish pond. So now, like I said, after I'm just walking, the fish are just knocking my legs. I'm eating some of them. So if you're not walking gently, you are going to stress them. And also make sure that when you are in a pond, like I said, be gentle. Otherwise, you are going to put a lot of stress on them. If you're not gentle, you will stress them. I know the implications. When you stress them, they are suffering. They are subject to diseases. They are prone to diseases. So make sure that you are gentle on them. Do whatever that you want to do gently and leave. And then when you leave, and you notice that you have taken them through stress or you have stressed them, the best thing to do after leaving is to apply remedy. Apply natural remedy to relieve them from the stress. And the best is to use the bitter leaves. Use the bitter leaves and gently put it in the water and release them from the stress. And also, going through the water, if you have maybe because you have gone through the water, you have disturbed it, and then you may have water quality issues. The bitter leaves will also release them from the water quality issues. You may also use salt. Apply salt to them, and that will also help in the water quality issues and also release them from the stress. I've had video on how application of bitter leaves and the salt. I'll leave both videos in the description. You can check it out. So it's very good after leaving your pond, rather than you apply them, then you apply this. Now when you finish and you come out successful, then you wash your safety or your bulletproof glove. And how do you wash it? Like I always mention, don't wash things that are from your farm or things that go into your fish pond with soap, because the chemicals in the soap can have or can contaminate the water, and then that will kill your fish. So just use the normal water with water hose or something that has spread it, and then you split it on it and remove it, and remove all the dirt or the water from the fish pond and get it dry it at a cool place under a shade. It is good to dry it there under a shade because it is rubber. So when you expose it to the sun, it becomes hot. And once you continue that, this will not last longer. It will definitely tear. So when it becomes hot, it becomes soft. So the constant exposure to sunlight will make it go or wear and tear faster. So dry it under a shade where it is well dry and then store it in a cool place. Make sure that we don't put it at where there will not be ventilation. So put it at where there will be ventilation and then it is safe there. So when you need it future again, then you come and use it. This will help from protecting your fish pond against water contaminations, like I mentioned earlier. This will also help you from getting wet. This will also help you yourself as a farmer when you are in the pond wearing this. So make sure that you have this. And one will be wondering, how can I get this? I got you covered. I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can kindly check it out on Amazon. Get it, put it on anytime you're going to your fish pond and you are safe and your fish will be healthy. So when you are done, like I've shown you how to wash it, then you can just wear it, spray the water out like this, and then you are good to go. Or you can remove it and wash it before taking it into the drying place. So when you finish washing, then you dry it gently and keep it down. Inspired by the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share so that more fish farmers will get the tips and we grow our fish together. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, my name is Abdul